Hi students. So have you practiced 6 sums of exercise 1.1 with different examples? Without practicing it with different examples, you cannot do it thoroughly. Okay, now I am going to start 7th sum. 7th sum is evaluate 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus of minus 2 by 5 plus of minus 2 by 3 after rearrangement. Okay, after rearrangement means we will take the like fraction. First we will evaluate the like fractions. Okay, here what are like fractions? 3 by 5 plus of minus 2 by 5. Like fraction means denominator is same. Okay, we will take first 3 by 5 plus of minus 2 by 5. Okay, 3 by 5 plus of minus 2 by 5 is equals to, if denominator is same, what we have to do? We have to take the numerators. Okay, here 3 plus of minus means plus into minus, will remove the bracket, plus into minus is minus. 3 minus 2 by 5 is equals to 3 minus 2 is 1. It is 1 by 5. Now again we'll take like fractions again, 7 by 3 and minus 2 plus of minus 2 by 3. Okay, 7 by 3 plus of minus 2 by 3 is equals to, if denominator is same, you have to write denominator like this only. Now what we'll do, we'll remove again bracket, plus into minus is minus. 7 minus 2, what is 7 minus 2? It is 5. 5 by 3. Okay, now we will add this 1 by 5 in with 5 by 3. Now we are adding 1 by 5 with 5 by 3. Okay, 1 by 5 plus 5 by 3 is equals to, now we'll take LCM of 5 and 3. Okay, we can multiply it also. 5 3, 5 ones are 5, 3 will take like this only, 3 1 we will keep like this only, 3 ones are 3. Okay, 5 3s are 15. Okay, how many times this 15 goes in 5 table? It goes 3 times. 3 into this numerator you have to write here, plus how many times this 15 goes in 3 table? It goes 5 times, into 5. Okay, this numerator you have to take here. Then what you have to do, 3 ones are 3. Okay, plus 5 5s are 25. Okay, by 15. Okay, by 15 you have to take 3 plus 25 by 15. So what is the answer? 3 plus 25 is 28. 28 by 15. So what is the answer after rearrangement? After rearrangement the answer is 28 by 15. Okay. 8 sum, subtract. First bit is 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. Okay. We have to subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Okay, now again we'll take LCM of 4 and 3. What is the LCM of 4 and 3? It is 4 3s are 12. Okay, again how many times this 12 goes in 4 table? It goes 3 times. Okay, 3 into this numerator you have to write here, minus again how many times this 12 goes in 3 table? It goes 4 times. 3 4s are 12. 4 into this numerator you have to write here, 3 3s are 9 minus 4 1s are 4 by 12. 9 minus 4 is, it is 5. Answer is 5 by 12. Second bit of 8 sum, 32 by subtract 32 by 13 from 2. Okay, minus 32 by 13 from 2. Okay, minus 32 by 13 minus 2 by 1. If denominator, if a number is not there in the denominator, okay, you have to write 1. Okay, now minus 32 by 13 minus 2 by 1. Okay, again here we'll take LCM. Number is not there means we have to take 13 only. Okay, LCM is here 13. Okay, 13, how many times 13 goes in 13 table? It goes 1 time. Okay, 1 into, again you have to write this numerator, minus 32 minus, okay, how many times this 13 goes is 1 table? It goes 13 times. Okay, 13, 1 13, so 13. Okay, 13 into, again this numerator you have to write here, into 2. Okay, 32 ones are 32. Okay, here plus is there now, here plus is there, plus into minus is minus. Minus 32 minus 13 to the is 26. Okay, by 13. Okay, minus 32 minus 26 means what you have to do, you have to add these two numbers, 32 and 26. What is the answer? It is 58. Then you have to write the minus symbol. Okay, minus 58 by 13 is the answer. Okay, third bit is subtract minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. Minus 7 means again you have to take minus 7 by 1. Okay, minus 7 by 1 minus minus 4 by 7. So don't write minus minus like this, you have to write bracket in between. Okay, it will get confused if you write minus minus like this. Okay, write bracket. Okay, minus of minus 4 by 7 you have to write. Okay, minus 7 by 1 minus into minus is plus 4 by 7 is equals to, so what is LCM here? Again 7. Okay, 7. How many times this 7 goes in one table? It goes 7 times. 7 into, again this numerator you have to write here minus 7 plus, how many times this 7 goes in 7 table? It goes one time. 1 into this 4 you have to write here. 7 sevens are 49. Here plus is there now. Plus into minus is, here plus is there. Plus into minus is minus. Minus 49. Okay, 4 ones are 1 fours are, or 4 ones are 4 by 7. Okay, minus 49 plus 4 means what you have to do? 49 minus 4 you have to do. What is 49 minus 4? It is 45. Okay, now you have to see which number is bigger here. 49 is bigger. Before 49 what is there? Minus is there now. It is a bigger number now, so you have to write here minus. Okay, answer is minus 45 by 4. Okay, this is the answer. And one is, what numbers should be added to minus 5 by 8 as to get minus 3 by 2. So we don't know the number. Okay, we don't know the what number should be added to minus 5 by 8 to get minus 3 by 2. So let the number be x. Okay, we are taking the number as x. So minus 5 by 8 plus x is equals to minus 3 by 2. Okay, we are adding minus 5 by 8 with that number. Okay, so don't write x plus of minus 5 by 8. The answer will be wrong. Okay, so you have to add minus 5 by 8 with x. We are taking x as a number. Okay, you can take a, b, y, whatever you want to take, you can take. Minus 5 by 8 plus x is equals to minus 3 by 2. Okay, x is equals to, now x you have to take x here. X is equals to minus 3 by 2. This minus 5 by 8 will become plus 5 by 8. Okay, it is left hand side, we are writing it on right hand side, so we have to write plus 5 by 8. This minus 5 by 8 will become plus 5 by 8. Okay, now x is equals to, now you have to take LCM of 2 and 8. What is LCM? 2 ones are 2 fours are 8, then 4 4 1 you have to keep like this only. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are, or 2 fours are is 8. LCM is 8 here. How many times 8 goes into table? It goes 4 times. Okay, 4 into this minus 3 you have to write here, plus again how many times 8 goes in 8 table? It goes one time. 1 into 5. Okay, now x is equals to 4 threes are 12. Here plus is there, so plus into minus is minus. Okay, minus 12. Okay, plus 1 5 is 5. Okay, minus 12 plus 5 by 8. Now x is equals to 12 minus 5 you have to do. It is minus 12 plus 5 now, so 12 minus 5 you have to do. It is 7. Okay, okay, which number is bigger here? 12 is bigger. So before 12 what is there? Minus is there now, so you have to write here minus. Okay, it is minus 7 by 8. So x is here minus 7 by 8. Proof. Now we are proofing it. Okay, so we have got x is equals to minus 7 by 8. The number is minus 7 by 8. So if we are adding minus 5 by 8 with minus 7 by 8, what is the answer here? Minus 5 by 8 plus of minus 7 by 8. Okay, plus into minus is minus. Okay, minus 5 by 8 minus 7 by 8. Here denominator is same, so you have to write the denominator like this only. You have to do minus 5 minus 7. Okay, minus 5 minus 7 is, again you have to do here addition. 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, again you have to write the minus symbol. Okay, now 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Okay, is equals to 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2. So we have got the answer here. Minus 3 by 2 is there in the question now, so we have got the answer, hence it is proved. Okay, 10 sum is the sum of two rational numbers is 8. Okay, when we add the two rational numbers, the answer should be 8 if one of the number is minus 5 by 6. Okay, one number is, the first number is minus 5 by 6. Okay, the other number we don't know, find the other. Okay, let the other number be x. Okay, we have to take the other number as x. Okay, minus 5 by 6 plus x is equals to 8. Okay, now x is equals to, okay, 8 minus 5 by 6 will become, we are taking it on right hand side now, so we have to write minus 5 by 6 as plus 5 by 6. Okay, is equals to, again you have to take LCM. LCM is 6 here, so here 1 is there now, so 1 into 6 is 6 only. 6 into 8 plus, Okay, how many times 6 goes in 6 table? It goes one time. 1 into pi is equals to 6 8s are 48 minus 1 5s are 5. Okay, 48 plus 5 by 6. Okay, what is 48 plus 5? It is 53. 53 by 6. So x is equals to 53 by 6. Okay, x is here. The other number is 53 by 6. Now we are proofing it. How we have to prove it? Again, minus 5 by 6 plus the other number is what we have got, the other number 53 by 6. Okay, now here denominator is same. You have to write here denominator, it is 6 minus 5 plus 53. Okay, you have to do 53 minus 5. Okay, what is 53 minus 5? It is 48. Okay, answer is 48 by 6. 6 ones are 6 8s are 48. So here 8 is there now. So the sum of two rational numbers is 8. Okay, the sum of two rational numbers is 8. So we have got the answer 8 now. Hence it is proved. Okay, 11th sum is subtraction associative in rational numbers. Explain with example. Okay, what is associative property of subtraction? It is a minus of b minus c is not equals to a minus b minus c. Okay, we know this. Okay, we have to prove this with example. Okay, it is given in your example. A is equals to 1 by 2, b is equal to 3 by 4. We are taking c is equals to minus 5 by 4. Okay, first we'll do LHS. What is LHS? A minus of b minus c. Okay, what is a? 1 by 2 minus what is b? B is 3 by 4 minus what is c? C is minus 5 by 4. Okay, now 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4, this minus into minus will become plus. We'll remove the bracket. It will become plus 5 by 4. Okay, 1 by 2 minus, we'll take like fractions. Okay, here it is denominator is same now, so you have to write 4 here. Okay, what is 5 plus 3? It is 5 6 7 8. Okay, it is 8 by 4. Okay, 1 by 2 minus 8 by 4. Now we'll take LCM of 2 and 4. It is 4. Okay, how many times 4 goes in 2 table? It goes 2 times. 2 2s are 4. 2 into this one you have to write here. Okay, minus how many times 4 goes in 4 table? It goes 1 time. 1 into this 8 you have to write here is equals to 2 ones are 2 minus 1 8s are 8. Okay, by 4. 2 minus 8 by 4. What is 2 minus 8 by 4? 2 minus 8 by 4 is 8 minus 2 you have to do. Okay, 8 minus 4, 8 minus 2 means it is minus 6. Okay, which number is bigger here? 8 is bigger now, so you have to write the symbol of 8. It is minus 6 by 4. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Answer is minus 3 by 2. Okay, LHS is here. What is LHS? It is minus 3 by 2. Now RHS. What is RHS? We have to take a minus b in bracket. 1 minus 2 minus 3 by 4 minus of minus 5 by 4. Okay, 1 minus 2 minus 3 by 4, minus into minus is plus, plus 5 by 4. Now we will take LCM of again 2 and 4. What is LCM of 2 and 4? It is 4. Okay, how many times 4 goes in 2 table? It goes 2 times. Okay, 2 2s are 4. 2 into 1 minus how many times 4 goes in 4 table? It goes 1 time. 1 into 3. Okay, 3 you have to write here. Okay, plus 5 by 4. 2 ones are 2 minus 1 3s are 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Okay, here denominator is same now, so we'll write denominator here like this only. It is 3 minus 2. 2 minus 3 means what you have to do? You have to do 3 minus 2. What is 3 minus 2? It is 1. Okay, it is minus 1. How it is minus 1? Here which number is bigger? Here 3 is bigger now, so you have to write the symbol of 3. What is the symbol of 3? It is minus. Okay, minus 1. It is minus 1 plus 5 by 4. Again you have to do 5 minus 1. What is 5 minus 1? It is 4. Answer is 4 by 4. 4 by 4 means when we cancel it, answer is 1. So RHS is here 1. Okay, so LHS is not equals to RHS. Okay, what was LHS? It is minus 3 by 2. Okay, RHS is 1 here. So A minus of B minus C is not equals to A minus B minus C. Okay, so subtraction in associative is not applicable. Okay, 12th one is verify that minus of minus x is equals to x. For here values are given. Okay, first one is x is equals to 2 by 50. You have to do minus of minus x, so the answer should be x. Okay, so minus of minus x means minus of what is x here? it is 2 by 15. Minus x means you have to write minus. Okay, minus 2 by 15 is equals to minus into minus is plus. Plus 2 by 15. So x is here 2 by 15 now. So we got the answer. Minus of minus x is equals to x. Okay, second one is x is equals to minus 13 by 17. Again we have to do minus of minus x. Minus of minus, what is x here? X is minus 13 by 7. Okay, minus of, okay, minus into minus is plus 13 by 7. Okay, again minus into plus is minus 13 by 7. So x is minus 13 by 7. Here also we got the answer. Minus of minus x is equals to x. Okay, 13th one, right, first bit is the set of numbers which do not have any additive identity. What is additive identity? Additive identity means is equals, additive identity means is equals to 0. We know additive identity, it is n plus 0 is equals to n is equals to 0 plus n. We know this is an additive identity. Okay, so if we take natural numbers start from 1. Okay, so the set of numbers which do not have any identity means it is natural numbers. Okay, it is natural numbers. Okay, because natural numbers start from 1. Okay, if we take 1 here, n plus 1 is equals to n is equals to 1 plus n means it is not an additive identity. This is an additive identity. So natural numbers are the set of numbers which do not have any additive identity. Okay, second one is the rational number that does not have any reciprocal. It is 0. Okay, 0 does not have any reciprocal. We can't write reciprocal of 0. Okay, so the rational number that does not have any reciprocal means it is 0. Third one is the reciprocal of a negative rational number. What is the reciprocal of a negative rational number? Example, if we take minus 1 by 2, what is the reciprocal of minus 1 by 2? It is again minus 2 by 1. So the reciprocal of a negative rational number is also a negative. Okay, it is also a negative. So we have completed exercise 1.2. We'll do exercise 1.2 in my next video. Okay, till then, goodbye.